AW314D is a new generation dual mount air circulation product. Its unique design lets you install on wood or cement ceilings with effortless ease. It can also be disassembled for easy cleaning. AW314D not only provides air circulation efficiently, but also gives you a convenient and easy way for cleaning the fan, and brings you a pleasant and cozy environment. One remote control allows you to control several fans, which makes it suitable in any space. You may easily install the fan by following these steps. Before the installation, you need to install the mounting plate first. Step 1. Loosen all the screws from the mounting plate. Save them for later use. Step 2. Use the screws provided to secure the mounting plate to the ceiling outlet box. Step 3. Install the 3-inch lag screw through the outlet box. Do not tighten the screw all the way. Leave enough space for wiring. Installation for Hugger version. Step 1. Use the screws to connect the canopy to the coupling. Step 2. Use one of the holes on the side of the canopy to hang the fan from mounting plate hook to make it easy to wire the fan. Step 3. Loop the safety cable over the washers from the 3-inch lag screw, then tighten it. Step 4. The wiring should be set up by a qualified electrician. Step 5. Install the canopy to the mounting plate by rotating it, then insert the side screws. Installation for downrod version. Step 1. Remove cotter pin and lock pin, then remove the hanger ball and the screw from the downrod. Step 2. Put the wires and safety cable through the downrod. Step 3. Insert the downrod through the coupling. Put lock pin and cotter pin on it. Firmly tighten the screw. Step 4. Move the coupling cover to the bottom until it entirely covers the coupling. Step 5. Install the canopy cover at the bottom of the canopy and across the downrod. Then move the hanger ball back to the downrod. Step 6. Insert the notch at the hanger ball to line up the tab of the canopy to stabilize it. Step 7. Use one of the holes on the side of the canopy to hang the fan from mounting plate hook to make it easy to wire the fan. Step 8. Loop the safety cable over the washers from the 3-inch lag screws, then tighten it. Step 9. The wiring should be set up by a qualified electrician. Step 10. Install the canopy to the mounting plate by rotating it, then insert the side screws. You may easily clean the fan using these 2 steps. Step 1. Turn off the electricity, then remove the grill cap and grill. Step 2. Use a clean cloth to clean the top and bottom of the fan blade and the fan housing. Now you can experience the performance of the fan.